Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Twitch clips to Adobe Premiere Pro for highlights, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Twitch website. Log in to your Twitch account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to your profile and click on the Video Producer option. Here, you will find all your past broadcasts and saved clips. Select the Clips tab to view the clips you have created. Choose the clip you want to download for Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on the clip to open it in a new window. On the right side of the clip, you will see three dots for more options. Click on these three dots and select Download. This will save the clip to your computer. Next, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Once it opens, create a new project or open an existing one. In the Project panel, right-click and select Import. Locate the downloaded Twitch clip on your computer. Select the clip and click Open to import it into your project. Now, drag the imported clip from the Project panel to the timeline. You can trim or edit the clip as needed for your highlights. If you want to add effects or transitions, do so from the Effects panel. After finishing your edits, go to File in the top menu. Select Export and then choose Media. Make sure to select the desired format and settings for your highlights. Finally, click on Export to save your finished video. Your Twitch clip is now successfully connected and edited in Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.